Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay. So guys, this is GainX 1200. This had been on downtrend right from here. Okay, I'm on 15-minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so this started the downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal, and of course some sell signals along the line. Broke out below this support zone at this region to sell more. Has gotten to a new support zone, and of course if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it's going to go back on uptrend. Okay, so for now this is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so we should understand that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is GainX 999, and of course these actually got to this support zone, wasn't able to break out from there, so it's picked up from there to start an uptrend, and of course got to the first TP, second TP, third TP, and of course this is so amazing. Okay, so this actually got to this resistance zone, and it was unable to break out above it. Okay, and of course it had this pullback. If it's unable to break out above this, then it's going to sell more. So at the moment this is selling at the moment. Okay, we are most likely to find it around here. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, it's going to sell more right from there. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, we should take note of that. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. For PayNext 1200, it started an uptrend right from this support zone, even though the movement was somehow, but it was more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Got to this region, had a pullback, and of course, we'll still be trying it out again. So this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, once it breaks out above here, then we are most likely to find it around this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's move on to PayNext 999. This is PayNext 999. It had been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there. So it started a downtrend right from there. So it has been selling since then. Okay, if it gets to this region and it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more, but we expect it to get to this region any moment from now. Now let's look at the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone after giving us this chart formation and gave us the downtrend signal at this point and a sell signal, and it has been selling since then. Okay, if you are in the Telegram channel, this actually smashed all the tips that we highlighted in the Telegram channel. Okay, I think all the signals we put out on the Telegram channel today got to all their TPs. Okay, so that's so amazing. That's a good one from us. Okay, so congratulations to those of you that actually picked up on those signals. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, this is still selling at the moment, so you should follow up with the trend and get the best out of it. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to follow the signals, and of course make sure you understand every part of it before you go to your live account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.